Austin Fox here from beautiful northern Michigan, here to show you the WoodEze expandable firewood rack. Right here is what the standard kit comes with. You got the two end pieces, the two crossbars that go in between, holds a half face cord, 47 tall, 14 inches deep, and 48 inches wide. Half a face cord. I needed a full face cord, so I got the expansion pack. That's what comes with this. Comes with all your hardware that you need, besides your wrenches. I will show you how to put it together now. Here's your nuts and bolts. It comes with 8 of them for the standard kit. If you have the expansion pack, you'll get 4 more. Everything is 1/2 inch. So I've got a 1/2 inch open end wrench with the ratcheting back, and then I've got a 1/2 inch socket wrench. So I've already attached the bottom sides of it, but I can basically show you. There is a hole on the bottom and a hole on the top. Same on both sides, same on that side. Put your bolt through there. I always like to put the head of the bolt on the outside. It's aesthetically pleasing. Just like that, and I'm just getting them hand tight right now. If you want to go ahead and tighten up your top ones, it's easy to do it while it's sitting right here, I suppose. Like that. So if you were just going to go off the standard half face cord rack that you would get delivered, this would be your configuration. Since I have the expansion pack, I'm going to put the expansion pack in the center of it. So here I have both of the end pieces put together. In order to do the expansion pack, you want to put your middle braces in the center of it. So here I am assembling the center piece of it all. Right now I've got my 2 bolts fed through. I'm going to slide the other end in towards it, hopefully without knocking my bolts out. I'm just getting everything hand tight right now. So here I have it fully assembled. I just tipped it over so I got better access to the lower ones. Getting everything nice and tight. Here we have it fully assembled. I had to cut a little bit of a tree down there to make a little space. I'm right on the edge of my wood line, so the ground isn't perfectly leveled. The more level that your ground is, the better it will be. Let's start loading it up. We'll keep your wood roughly 4 inches off the ground. Kind of give and take a little bit as far as what I've got going on, because my ground's a little uneven. A good rule of thumb as far as stacking firewood goes is to throw all your misfit pieces off to the side and save those for the top of the stack. So, I've got a little bit of time stacking wood, but it's worth it. So here it is fully assembled. Took me roughly 5 minutes to put together. Did it by myself. It was very easy. Nuts and bolts. And it does the job. It does the job just fine. I'm very happy with it. And I'll probably be ordering more expansion packs and maybe run all the way down my property line. If you're interested in one of these, get yours at northlineexpress.com or online stores.